Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, a 2020 Ford F-150 XLT with a 6.5-foot box, powered with a 5.0 liter V8. This has a 302A package, so you're going to get all the power equipment inside. It also has the XLT Sport Appearance package, giving you those beautiful rims, painted bumpers. Just a great looking truck all the way around. It does have a lot of convenient things, running boards, powered sliding rear window defrost. Inside, tons of room for the kids, the friends, the parents, whoever's riding with you. If nobody, throw the seats up, give yourself some more cargo space. Reconditioning department did a great job. Thing looks brand new. Up front, both driver and passenger are going to have power seats, heated seats. You're going to ride in comfort. Give me a call today at 715-293-3189, or check out more photos and details at johnsonmotors.com. Stock number 919252. Come take it for a test drive. Look forward to seeing you guys. Okay, let's hop inside this F-150. Again, this is a 2020 Ford F-150 Crew Cab with the 5.0, stock number 919252. You can find it on johnsonmotors.com. I'll go ahead and start this vehicle. It is a flip key. It does have the 302A package, so it gives you a lot of the power equipment, such as the touchscreen LCD screen right here. You have your navigation, audio controls. It does have the heated driver's seats. You do have the four-wheel drive on the fly, trailer backup, lots of storage down below with USB ports, huge console, again, tons of storage, double glove box, plenty of space in the back for your guests. Seats do fold up if you just need the storage space. Power sliding rear window with defrost. Power points for you and your passengers. Storage up top. On the driver's side, you have your power windows, adjustable mirrors, adjustable pedals, bring them 4 inches closer or put them 4 inches further away, automatic headlamps. Find more details on johnsonmotors.com, or simply give me a call, David Mazzola, at 715-293-3189. Thanks for tuning in.